Budi lang ke sekolah di sini kali.
Eh? What's that?
That's our neighbor. I think she's like visiting that school of
Kota
her
Timur Putih.
daughter.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
And
Graduation,
yeah,
something,
there is
or
an
even
event.
art.
No, it's not about art actually.
Performing art or
It's
what?
about the nationality, something like nationalism learning project. But it's about Pancasila, you know.
Hmm. Okay.
Actually, in international school like ours, it's held always on October 28th. The same time with